Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, as I predicted in yesterday's video, we are starting to see a little bit of a retracement here after hitting this big previous level of support here, flipped into resistance here, and as you can see, come up to test the resistance again in this area. You can see obviously this huge parabolic move, you're obviously going to get a bit of a pullback at some point, because obviously this price action very unsustainable. You can see it's like a hockey stick, which is the kind of moves that you see in a bull market before, you know, getting a big extended drawdown. And it looks as though basically what's been happening here is we've obviously run up to a big key level of resistance. We've had quite a few wicks here, obviously a big few doji candles as well. And it was always, in our opinion, fairly likely that we would see the retracement after such a big move to the upside to come down, retest some levels. And looking like we're probably on the way down, as we said, to that previous level that we do want to see retested, which is that 0.23 up the Fibonacci. We're obviously almost there now, and that would be where our profit taking would occur. As you can see, we've got a short position right now, which is in a decent amount of profit. It's about halfway to the target right now. Looks like we almost came down and touched it here, but we've got a wick back to the upside, as you can see. But I do think this is probably going to trickle back down towards this level, which is probably where we'll be taking profits. Overall, you can see obviously Verasity showing some signs of life, breaking out of its bear market resistance here, which is really cool to see. But obviously we aren't out of the woods yet. We've been making lower lows and lower highs for a long time. We've finally come up here and made a higher high with a breakout of structure, but we need to come down and see ourselves make a higher low followed by another higher high to see the trend reverse like this over the next few months. In the immediate short term, as I've been saying, I am still bearish. I do think that most likely I think Bitcoin's probably going to roll to the downside to retest some of its lows over the next month or so. And if that's the case, Verasity is definitely going to do the same, getting dragged back to the downside. Obviously, that is probably not an ideal situation for a lot of people to hear, but I do think that is probably a fairly likely scenario. Obviously, Bitcoin having a bit of a rally in the new year right now, but if it does roll over, Verasity will be taken down with it. Obviously, if Bitcoin does continue to the upside, then we'll probably see Verasity continuing to the upside as well, which is great to see. But really, we're just waiting for the wider market to figure out exactly what's going on. But as we said before, definitely showing promising signs here for Verasity, clearly breaking out of some key resistance here. And if we do get a nice back test like this and start to come back up to this level and get continuation, that is going to spell potentially the end of that macro downtrend for Verasity, isn't it? So as we said, immediate short term I'm still bearish, but I do think mid to long term very bullish on Verasity. You can see here we're just making our way down to our next target, which is that 0.23 Fibonacci. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Appreciate you all as always. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.